But that on this package, we know people.
Brother Shaggy.
Hello, Shaggy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, so.
We are hit.
How was your trip?
We thought I go collect drip for the valley.
Encore. Repeat it.
That's not what I meant.
What do you mean?
I mean, how did you enjoy Dubai?
I enjoyed Dubai. Everything for that place don't dey in the accordance. If you see us everywhere in it, go to say that the next street Jesus they did. Everywhere in it, you don't even know whether they do environmental. You don't be like Nigeria. When say when some people shop biscuit and shop gala, they go throw away the line of our road. Go try out for there. You go sleep for prison, eh? You better go full your place. Then you see state and capital. Dubai, heaven.
Will you keep quiet?
Our own president car. Now they take it as it. So yeah, we'll make I not talk too much because we will say what the conference agenda server is a shabalistic pre-order order. Thank you.
You know when.